Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a logo to a Brevo email template. First thing I want you to do is log into your Brevo dashboard, come to the left hand panel, click on campaigns, and then here you'll see all your email campaigns, okay? I want you to click on this pencil icon to the one you want to edit and basically add a logo to. So click on this pencil icon, and then right here you should see design. I want you to click on edit design, and this will open up your editor and come here to content from the left hand panel. Make sure you're under blocks, and then you should see logo. Okay, now to add a logo, you want to just go ahead and drag and drop this to your design, right? And then you can click here on replace to go ahead and get an image. So you can choose from your files. You can upload your file right here. You can drag and drop. You can also use stock images or GIFs as well. Otherwise, really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to App Mentor.